What's up, YouTube? We're in the truck today. It's a little toasty, 85 or something. But I got air conditioning, so I'm living pretty comfortably for now. But putting the truck to work, so I'm picking up the first pallet of sand in this thing and see how the dually does. So I'm jamming away, got the brakes all fixed, new tires, fresh coated wheels, functioning brakes. We should be in pretty good shape. So we're about 8 minutes away. Been driving for about a half hour, 25 minutes. Well, wouldn't be that long. It should only be 15 minutes, but traffic is terrible and they're doing construction everywhere, so it's taking a while. But again, air conditioning. This is the easy part of my day. 3,200 pound skid of media will go in the bed, bring that back over to the barn, and then manually unload it, because I don't have a bobcat or a forklift. Yeah, we're working on that. That'll be a ways out, but kind of thinking about that. Maybe a tractor. Everybody needs a tractor, I think. So figure out what we're gonna do with that, but I'll update you guys once we get this skid loaded up. Well, it's heavy. She squatted pretty good, but would have liked it a little farther forward, but it's as far as the fork goes with the tailgate. So pushed in. This should be a fun ride back. 3,200 pounds dragging on the rear. Not ideal, but it is a work truck, so I know we're making it pretty. But it's still getting used for work, don't worry. Oh, jamming in here. So get back to the shop, I'll update you guys on the way. Make sure she's still running happily. Full load, truck is squatting in the rear. So you really lower a truck, put some weight back there. But this temp gauge in the dash is giving me some issues. It's getting hot up there, but I got the mechanical one down here, so I don't know if that's just a sensor pickup location or what. But we dropped the AC off for a little bit on part of that because it's heavy. So AC's back on now. We're back to normal temps-ish. This thing was climbing just shy of the red on here. Again, kept an eye on that one because that one's actually got a real reading. I mean, me stopping right now, that's going up 2 dashes. So this one fluctuates quite a bit. Same thing on the voltage. But these ones hold rock steady and true. We're sitting at 200 degrees, so that's the one I go by. But no issues. I mean, it's heavy. I can tell it's squatting in the back. A little slower to slow down, obviously, but the truck is a trooper. It doesn't have the... I'll put 10, 12 bags of sand in my F100, and that back end gets real heavy, squatty, and that front end steering gets really light. This thing is holding its own, so this is what I bought it for. Unfortunately, I gotta figure out something for the bed. I don't know what we're gonna do on that. I'm gonna do a bed liner or a plastic liner or something, but we'll see. So let's get back to the shop and then enjoy the tunes while Jake and I unload a pallet of 40, 80 pound bags. Man, I really want a tractor. Safely made it back to shop number 2. So a couple quick updates here. I wanted to get this farther up, a little bit more centered on the axle, but when the tailgate goes down, forklift can only push so far. So I don't know what we're doing on the bed for this. I don't know if a bed liner is going to be good. This will work for now. I mean, I'll just keep using it. I don't want to worry about it too bad. Try not to dent it up too badly because it is in really good shape, minus the 5th wheel holes. Should get a trailer at some point too, and then I can do 2, 3 pallets at a time if need be. But we're putting this thing through the paces today, and it did not let me down. Got a little warm with the AC on, sitting in traffic, but that's kind of expected. Kept an eye on it. I yanked off this tow mirror, the West Coast style, whatever, stainless mirrors. I don't know what we're doing with that either. So do I get tow mirrors for up here? If anybody's got an old truck like this that has a decent set of mirrors for an affordable price, let me know. I'm trying to stay away from some of the cheaper stuff on Amazon because something like that I feel like it's just gonna rattle around and fall apart. But let me open up here. I turned the mic on, but the battery's dead, so rather than start and then have the mic die on me and lose all my audio like I do every 3 videos I make and then get really upset about it, got this pretty much queued up, so we are squatting. When Jake gets here, he's gonna give me a hand. We're gonna unload 3,200 pounds of sand out of that and then put it on the shelves in the blast booth. And he's closing up the shop right now, the other shop, so waiting on one more customer to get there. When he shows up, we'll do that. But until then, I'm actually gonna keep blasting because we're busy again. Bunch of gym equipment, well, decently busy. All of this stuff here, those, and then there's a couple more on the trailer out there. I'll clean up this table at some point too, but then we got those pieces on the little trailer that I brought over yesterday too. So let's fire up this diesel compressor, hopefully, and you won't be able to hear anything. Hook the hoses back up. It definitely likes having fresh gas, or diesel rather, but come on, girl. Maybe it doesn't like having fresh diesel. It's the first time that hasn't started in a while. So since we've been doing this, since I've actually been running it, it usually has been a first start. I don't know. We'll see. We'll get this fired up and then maybe do a little bit of time lapse on the blasting and a little bit of time lapse of unloading sand. Needed a jump. Keep a second battery in there, a newer one. I should just swap them out, but I haven't done that yet, so. Quick jump, we are good to go. We'll get changed into some dirtier clothes and get to the blasting. Got through all the blasting. I got those two pieces, this black one, and the top edge of that one. I was gonna do it, but I needed to get those sandbags unloaded. Totally forgot to turn the camera on. Well, I thought I turned the camera on, didn't record. Pallet is empty, manually unloaded, 40, 80-pound bags. So I'm hot, I'm sweaty. Typically I'd jump in the lake, but I'm already late because I need to be somewhere at 30 minutes. Well, in 30 minutes. And we should have two pots left, 2 more pots of blasting, so 6 bags of sand-ish, and then we'll be good. And I'm building up a ton of the black sand in here. All of that is recyclable. I just need to start shoveling and scooping all that up, and then I can start using it at least once, and then it'll break down too much to be effective. But that's kind of where we're at. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all those other fun things. We hit 4,000, so thank you for that. I was stoked. I woke up this morning and saw that, and then now I'm getting delayed emails. But we broke 4,000 subs, so I appreciate all of you. I appreciate you guys sticking around. Hopefully I'm not scaring y'all away too much with the dually stuff, but it's new, it's exciting, and it is a very nice truck, and it drives really well. So yes, I have much more fuel efficient vehicles that get more than 9.3 miles to the gallon, which is what I was averaging on the last attempt. But it just drives so good. And I have a pretty short commute everywhere, so we'll deal with that. We'll catch you on the next one.